friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading in my channel. Subscribe to the Infinity Gainer channel. Thank you friends. Now what are we doing for the work when I try to morning in desktop and turn on in PC, blue screen error, critical processing died error, how to solve. Okay, just keyboard and long press shift key plus restart at the same time. Now what happened, CPU is going to for recovery mode. Okay, it's automatically go to recovery mode. Just same procedures there for troubleshoot, advanced, command prompt work. Just few minutes your problem now solved. Okay, just go to troubleshoot, just advanced option, command prompt, reg edit, type it, enter, file, import, just click and select it. When under go to this PC, it's not come, your drive is empty is there. Again we given another video, go and this kind of procedure do it. Okay, this place not comes after. Just see click in inside in Windows, select and under free fetch file, just right click, delete it and refresh, delete and refresh. Every time you need to refresh. Okay, every time refresh, need try refresh it, need to because your processing work. Refresh option, then create new folder, refresh and type free fetch exact name. Just right click and refresh it once. Same, find out temp file, just find out temp folder, just right click and delete it, refresh, create a new folder, refresh, type tmp file name, subfolder name, just refresh. Then go to system32 folder, in under drivers, select drivers, system32 drivers, it's here. Just top side date modify, just click here. Your problem comes current date file, just right click and delete once, refresh it. Okay, come back, sys wow 64 in 32-bit system 32-bit folder in below section is there. Go on same date modified, current up to file, just delete it and same process do program files and program 86 files, current to modified folder is there. Just right click and delete and refresh it. Continue your Windows. Now your problem solved. Check and inform. Thank you friends.